Look, this exact car has 455 horsepower. It can go 90 kilometers on electric power alone. Look, we're going to talk about this car today. Its appearance is calm, but the power hidden underneath is not calm at all. Let's take a look at this car together. Hello friends, welcome to the Vortex Rev channel. Our guest today is the 2026 Volvo XC90, an SUV that offers both family comfort and can show speed when needed. Let's go through it step by step. First, the exterior look, then the cabin, then the technology and performance. Its color is cream beige, shining beautifully in the light. The lines are simple yet elegant. Nothing looks unnecessary. The rear lights are Volvo's recognizable style, a design called Thor's hammer, looking sharp in the dark. It has black alloy wheels and the brake calipers are red. This also gives us a sign that this car doesn't just have comfort inside, it has power too. When you open the door and step inside, the difference is immediately felt. The seats are made of honey-colored leather, soft and comfortable. Carbon fiber panels are used side by side with walnut wood patterns, combining classic and modern together. Plenty of light comes in through the panoramic glass, making the cabin look spacious and bright. The rear seats haven't been forgotten either. There's plenty of legroom and the seats are comfortable. This makes a particular difference on long trips. The central screen is large and runs on a Google-based system, a fast and easy-to-understand interface. The digital instrument panel, adaptive lighting, climate sensors, all of these make the car easier to control. On the safety side, Volvo has stayed true to its name. It has a 360-degree camera, blind spot warning, and semi-autonomous driving assistance. These work in the background so you can focus on the road and the drive. The XC90 Recharge comes with a plug-in hybrid engine. Total power is 455 horsepower and torque is 709 Newton meters. It goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.3 seconds, which is a very good result for a family SUV. It can go up to 90 kilometers on electric power alone. That means for everyday city use, there's no need to even use gasoline. When a longer distance is needed, the gasoline engine kicks in automatically. It has an all-wheel drive power distribution system, so the car stays stable in rain, snow, or on mountain roads. So what sets the XC90 apart from the others? Compared to the BMW X5, it drives more quietly. Unlike the Audi Q7, the cabin materials look richer. The Mercedes GLE's technology is powerful, but Volvo stands out in safety and hybrid efficiency.